Welcome to the Request Books from MOBIUS Libraries video tutorial. This guide will show you how to place requests for books through MOBIUS. Begin your book search from the Discover at MU search engine on the library's homepage. In the instance that your chosen book is already checked out or is simply not available through the university library, you can use MOBIUS Libraries to place a request. On the Discover at MU search page, click the MOBIUS button under the Transfer Search to MOBIUS tab on the right of the screen. You will be redirected to a MOBIUS search page that shows you a list of items fitting your record's description and its availability at various libraries. You can see what libraries in MOBIUS currently have the title by clicking on the link below the format type. In addition, on the menu to the left of the results, you can refine your search based on how the search found the records, the format, and subject within MOBIUS. If the book is available, click the Request It button to the right of the title. If the text is available online, there will be an accessible link below the book's information. Upon requesting the book, you will be directed to select your university. Then, you will be directed to log in with your name and your ID, which is your 8-digit student ID number. You will then choose the library where you want to pick up the book, and then choose the specific pickup location. Then, hit Submit. If you need any more help, please feel free to reach out to the library over the chat function or email,